Hey guys, it's Courtney and Seth here today with another installment of
Unravel with the Jackson Travels.
Today we will be telling you everything you need to know about the annual Mardi Gras parades at Universal Orlando Resort. So if you'd like to join us, let's go. Universal's Mardi Gras Parade takes place on select nights during the Mardi Gras season. Each year, Universal introduces additional floats, themes, and characters to the parade while remaining true to the classics like King Gator and the Royalty Float. During Mardi Gras, guests can gather throughout the parade route in Universal Studios to catch beads and celebrate Mardi Gras. The Mardi Gras Parade is included with the price of admission to Universal Studios and allows patrons to take home as many souvenirs as they can catch. Additionally, guests and pass holders have the opportunity to ride in the Mardi Gras Parade. Each year, Universal Orlando annual pass holders can sign up to reserve a spot on one of the participating Mardi Gras dates. However, spots are limited and the online virtual lines can be long. So in addition to pass holder reservations, Universal also allows guests the opportunity to buy a reserved float ride with the Universal Ride and Dine experience. This experience is available to pass holders and regular guests. Ride and Dine allows patrons to experience a 3-course meal at one of the participating restaurants in Universal Studios or City Walk. After the meal, patrons can head over to begin their float ride. If you would like to know more about the Ride and Dine experience, check out our full review after this video. Additionally, Universal also releases virtual line spots each parade night to fill in the no-show spots. This is a complete lottery system, and spots are first come, first served in the Universal app. Though riding on a Mardi Gras float is a must-do, watching the parade is equally as important. Be sure to stake out a good spot to watch the parade. If you want the chance to catch double the beads, we recommend staking out a spot near the parade entrance on Hollywood Boulevard. The parade will start and end at the gates next to the horror makeup show. So, you will be able to catch beads from the floats as they emerge from the gates and when they are returning backstage. Also, have a camera ready to snap a picture of your favorite float, but don't get too distracted. Beads will be flying in from all angles for you to catch. Note that the different floats will have different colored beads that may match with the theme of the float itself, so be sure to gather as many as you can to showcase your Mardi Gras spirit.
c'est les bons enroulés! Hey! The crowded! The scrimps! Woo! Watch out! Yeah!
We hope you enjoyed this video highlighting the Universal Mardi Gras Parade. If you haven't already, we hope you get to celebrate Mardi Gras at Universal soon. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more Universal content coming soon. So until next time, we hope to see you on the next adventure. Bye.